Shorty. Now, Shorty, we got a nice, peaceable town here, and we aim to keep it that way.
Nothing stands in the way of me and my revenge. That's him.
Hey, just a cotton-picking minute, Shorty. You might hurt somebody.
This is a showdown, Woodpecker!
Dimpled knees.
Give me my clothes. Concern of that little gold big. This time we do it like they do on TV. Draw.
Oops, wrong gun.
Now, once more. Draw. Concern it, do it right.
Oh, all right, sorehead.
Draw. Go darn it, that rat, hootin' bolt.
Excuse me, may I be of some assistance?
Put me down, you ornery flea bag. No. Don't bother me, boy. Leave a message.
Get the message?
Getting so a horse can't get a clean drink around here.
Hey, do you want a gunfight, or are you gonna waste all day playing in the water?
No, this time it's him or me, and it ain't me. Draw. No, you got me. Congratulations. You're the only living man to ever outdraw Shorty Snorter.
Bye. Chocolate.
I've been hornswoggled. Just keep right on walking. I'll tell you when to stop. He's dead, and good riddance. I got my revenge.
Hey, when you gonna tell me to stop?
No, go away. Don't come any closer. You're a ghost.
Boo! You looking for me? Or me? Or me?
Yeah, 3 of them.
Friend of yours? Nope, never saw him before. Me neither.
Hey, let me in. I'll come back. Let me in.
What's the password?
The ghost.
That's the password. Guess who?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This air tree, she have to go.
Well, I'll be a dirty bird. Well, I fly down, but I get airsick. I could swim down, but I haven't got a bathing cap. Or I could just walk down. No, that's too slow. I know. Contact!
Where are you going?
Home.
You're cute.
Neighbor!
Hocus pocus, Woodpecker be gone.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun! Da dum 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 da 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 dee dee dee.
Oh no, not those firecracker gags.
Now, shoot if you must, this old gray head, but spare my bowling ball, he said. Here's your old bowling ball.
Thank you.